Keeping your vehicle running smoothly starts with regular oil changes. And if you're looking for a fast, professional, and reliable oil change in Kalispell, Montana, Kalispell Toyota has you covered. Our certified Toyota technicians use only high-quality oils and filters that are tailored to your vehicle. Whether it's conventional, synthetic blend, or full synthetic oil, we make sure your engine gets the protection it needs. An oil change isn't just about topping off your engine oil. It's an important part of overall vehicle maintenance. During every service, we also inspect your vehicle for other important fluids, filters, and basic maintenance items to help prevent costly repairs down the road. Scheduling your oil change in Kalispell is simple. You can book online in just a few clicks or give our friendly service team a call. Most oil changes take less than 30 minutes, so you can get in, get out, and get back on the road with minimal interruption to your day. At Kalispell Toyota, we make vehicle maintenance easy and convenient, so you can focus on what matters most, enjoying your drive. From routine oil changes to full service maintenance, our team is here to help keep your Toyota running like new. Protect your engine, save time, and drive with confidence. Schedule your next oil change in Kalispell today at Kalispell Toyota. Visit our website or give us a call to book your service now.